Hello everyone. Are you getting this error when you are starting some application? Don't worry, I'm here to save you. First thing you do is you run that application as an administrator. Right click on it and click on run as administrator. Give it rights. If that doesn't help, then go to option number 2. Right click on it, go to properties and then go to compatibility tab. Now click on the run program as compatibility mode for Windows 8 or whatever and try to run it again. If it works, then good. If that doesn't help, then we have another option. First press window plus R and this window will appear. Now type this command here, press OK, go to administrative and change system locale and select your country or whatever, and now you have to restart your PC. But if it is still there, then we go to solution number 4. That will definitely fix all of the problems. Now we have to fix DLL files. Go to the location of the application where that application is located and open the command window there by typing cmd in this path location. Press enter and command window will open. Now you have to write this command which you seeing on the screen. After it, you have to press enter and just wait, and that's all. Once the command is completed, check if error is solved. Hopefully it is fixed by one of these solutions. So thank you so much for watching this video. So I'm going to wait for your like and your subscribe. So bye.